I'm John Henry, the Changeover Wizard at changeover.com. Rich Frain and I wrote the book on buying packaging machinery. You can buy it on Amazon or download a free copy at www.fraingroup.com/ebooks. After you stack finished cases on your pallet, you're going to need to unitize the load. This means tying everything together into a single unit so the cases don't fall off the pallet. There's a couple ways of doing this, including strapping, shrink wrapping, and stretch wrapping. An excellent source on all these methods and more is in this booklet, Unitizing Goods on Pallets and Slip Sheets from the U.S. Forest Service. It's available free online. Stretch wrapping is the most common, almost standard method in the packaging industries. It has several advantages over other methods. It requires no heat like shrink wrapping. The film is cost-effective and readily available from a number of sources. It's similar to the film you use at home to wrap food, but a heavier gauge and designed for this purpose. Once wrapped, the film provides a weather and water-resistant barrier to protect the products. Stretch wrapping can be done manually using a handheld mandrel for the film roll. It's a lot of extra work and not good ergonomically. Semi-automated stretch wrappers are relatively inexpensive and simple. Fully automated stretch wrappers can be used to meet higher speed and capacity requirements. Semi-automated wrappers are most common. This is a typical design available from many manufacturers. The pallet is driven onto the rotating platform with a pallet, truck, or forklift and deposited. In this example, an operator ties the tag end of the film roll to the pallet. Other options include using tape or a label to adhere directly to the case. In some instances, the film is simply stuffed between cases. After tying the film, the operator starts the wrap cycle. The table rotates the pallet, pulling the film off the roll. The wrapper automatically regulates the film tension to assure a tight wrap without crushing the cases or damaging the film. You want some stretch, but not so much as to crush the case. As the pallet rotates, the film roll moves up, then down, providing the proper film overwrap. The number of rotations and layers of film are determined by the wrapper machine program. After the cycle completes, the operator cuts the film, fastens the end with a label or by tucking it under one of the layers. The film's natural self-clinginess prevents it from unraveling. When higher speeds are needed, fully automatic machines may be used. In this typical fully automatic machine, instead of rotating the pallet, the roll is mounted on an arm which rotates around the pallet. The principle is the same other than the rotating arm. An interesting variation is this portable robotic system from handleit.com. Instead of the pallet being brought to the wrapper goes to the pallet. Orbital wrappers such as this one wrap irregular and long objects. Next time you get all wrapped up in a project, let Frain untangle it for you. Frain has pallet wrappers for any need or speed. Whether you need a single machine like a wrapper or a complete integrated line, talk to Frain. Rent for the short term, buy or lease for the long term, Frain lets you have it your way. How you want it and when you need it. Visit them online at www.fraingroup.com. Even better, visit their plant in Carroll Stream, Illinois, minutes from Chicago's O'Hare Airport. Tour the inventory, talk to the engineers and technicians. Visit the shop floor. There's no place like it in the world. I'm John Henry of Changeover.com for Frain Industries. I'll see you next month with another machinery explainer. Thanks for watching.